guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Bella. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine with natural products. In the title, I didn't say it was all natural products because I don't make my own conditioner because it's way too much work. But for the most part, I make my own shampoo, I make my own gel, and I make my own pre-poo. This stuff is super affordable and is completely DIY. So let me take you guys through what I did, and it's all in the showers, so there's no hair all around the sink and everything, because I hate when that happens. First, I will be making black soap shampoo, in which I cut up into little cube pieces, and I put around 3 or 4 pieces in a cup. The lavender flowers are optional. I prefer lavender oil, but I ran out, so I use this. For the flaxseed gel, I will be using Natural 85's formula, in which she uses 600 milliliters of water, a little more than 1/4 of a cup of flax seeds, and she boils it until it gets to the nice consistency and then waits for 40 minutes. I will be linking her video down below so you can know exactly how I did it. Next, I will be making a honey and apple cider vinegar rinse, in which I put a couple tablespoons or a tablespoon of honey, and I put half apple cider vinegar, and I fill the rest up with water. After sitting for about 40 minutes, the flaxseed is nice and cool and it has a perfect consistency, so now it's time to strain it. I just use a regular old bonnet that has a bunch of little holes. See how simple and easy all of these products were? I will be making more clear directions in my description down below if it wasn't clear enough in the video. It's been around 2 weeks since I did my hair. I just left it in these jumbo braids because protective styles are key, especially in quarantine. Although it's been a couple weeks since I did my hair, it's moisturized enough to brush through it. But if your hair is not moisturized or it's not conditioned, do not brush through your hair because you don't want any breakage. The honey and apple cider vinegar rinse is a pre-poo, so of course I will be doing it before I shampoo. I make sure it's all in my scalp and throughout my hair, but be careful with this stuff because it really burns your eyes. In the description box down below, I will be putting all the benefits of these products. Then I will be going in with my black soap shampoo, and first I will apply it to my scalp and then I will apply it to the ends of my hair. For sulfate shampoos, it's not really a good thing to do that because it will strip your hair, but since this shampoo does not strip your hair, it's okay. Next, I will be detangling my hair for the second time with the Cantu conditioner. And as you can see, it's almost gone. When brushing curly hair, it's important to start from the bottom and work your way up to the top. When I'm done with that section, I twist it up to make sure it doesn't tangle again. For the last step, I will be applying the flaxseed gel. If you do not work this gel into your hair, you are going to have flakes. Trust me, it looks bad because one time I did have it and flakes was just flying everywhere on my shirt. I use the shingling method, one, to ensure that the flaxseed is really into every strand, and I love the definition it gives me. After I'm done, I always air dry, even though it takes like 10 hours. And after hours, this is how my hair dried. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, click the thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.